My name is Günther Schuh. I'm the CEO of e.GO Mobile AG. e.GO tries to develop the most affordable EV car, the most digital car, and especially the most sustainable car. Since the market is very new and let's say fragile, you must be adaptive. Once we have to change and adjust the product to market demands, we have to adjust immediately the factory as well, because the efficiency of the production on spot, especially on that renewed design, that is important that the factory can serve that.
Architects are planning completely different than an engineer. In a factory, both parties need to work seamlessly together. The integrated factory model is giving us the communication pattern that we are getting every party together, working on one single data set across the whole factory lifecycle.
Factory modeling is a holistic, ongoing process because you are never ready with optimizing your factory. A lot of things are directly and indirectly influencing each other. So we have to have the holistic picture of the factory, and that is possible with the equipment that we are gaining and working together from Autodesk.
No matter what industry you're in, no matter what products you use, or where in the world you are, making data more accessible, more extensible, and more open will help unleash your talent, connect your processes, automate your workflows, and unlock valuable insights that will help your businesses.
Between design, construction, operations, and manufacturing. This isn't just a vision of the future, it's what we are working on now.
And though we're still facing more than our fair share of uncertainty, the problems of today are what a better tomorrow is built on. And because you make the things that actually make tomorrow a better place, I see all of you as innovators. And I see Autodesk's role as helping empower you to solve problems both big and small. We don't believe in waiting for progress, we believe in making it.
That means for us that we were able to plan, build and start operation of our factory in only 1.5 years.
Autodesk is the enabler for us to really make it possible to have a holistic factory modeling approach.